So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of layers right here. And what I can do is I can select out those layers and then move them out wherever I want. So I can just go around right here, move this layer right here. I can go around, move this layer right here, just like this. And all of the layers are editable. But if you don't want to edit particular layer, then you can lock it. For example, if you want to lock out these two layers right here, you can click on the lock icon on this layer and you cannot select out this layer and move and make changes to that layer right here. So accidental editing does not happen. You can go around over here and lock this circle as well, and you can see that that layer can be edited anymore. But the other layers right here, you can still select it, resize it, and place it wherever you want right here. So another thing that you can do is you can go around and hold Alt right here and click, and that particular layer will be unlocked, as you can see, but all of the other layers right here gets locked out. So once you hold Alt and do that, the one you select will be unlocked while others will be locked right here, as you can see. So that's interesting right here. And you can click on these to unlock the layers over here as well. So another thing that you can do is you can go around over here, and then you can also go around onto the option. Let's say, for example, in layers right here, and then lock out the layers from over here. So there's lock and unlock layers, as you can see. So you can go around and lock out layer from over here as well. And that is how you can lock and unlock layers inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.